Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the intro pages for June 2025 using my A5 notebook from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my A5 notebook. For these intro pages, I'm going to be using this stencil from the Crafters Workshop, specifically that one floral. I'll be using this quote stamp set from Heidi Swapp. I'm going to be using these month stamps from Paper Person. And my theme for June is going to be rainbow. So I'm going in with 5 different colored distressed oxides as well as my black VersaFine ink for these intro pages. I actually did all rainbow spreads for June in my planner last year. It didn't start out intentionally, but I made it halfway through the month realizing that I had done that, and it just felt like it made sense because June is Pride Month, and so I thought it was something that I would do again for June of 2025. Now, I really loved using this abstract looking floral stencil in one of my May spreads. And so when it came to putting together my June intro pages, I thought it would be a bit more of a unique way to include a rainbow scheme. I generally stick with paint splatter or paint swatch like stamps when I'm putting together my rainbow spreads. And this is just something a little bit different for me, which is very exciting. I did run into a couple of issues while recording this. I was turning my camera on and off so much when I was flipping through these pages that there were a couple instances, I think we just passed both of them, where I thought I was pressing to record, but I was actually turning off recording. And so I didn't quite record when I actually put down the stencil, which is unfortunate, but it didn't happen too many times, which is good. Now, I thought the easiest way to approach these intro pages was to basically do one color at a time, since I was going to be using the stencil on every single page of my intro pages. So as you'll see, I went through the rainbow: pink, orange, yellow, blue, and now we're on this like lilac-y purple color. And again, I'm overlapping the stencils a little bit just to make things look and feel a little bit connected and cohesive throughout. After finishing up with all of the stencil work, I'm going through and removing all of the washi tape that I used to kind of border out all of these areas. And then I'm going in with this Hello Sunshine stamp on my quote page, and then my June stamp from Paper Person for my June header on my cover page. And after putting down that stamp, it's just removing all of the different pencil marks from all of these pages. I really liked the way my May intro pages came out, and so I did go for a similar vibe in terms of kind of bordering off specific sections on each page where there would be deco. And I must say that with all being said and done, I absolutely love the way these intro pages came out. I just love the rainbow, and I think the stencil I use is just abstract enough to work. I love the way I restructured my monthly spread here to allow for a little bit more deco, and I did add this second monthly in. This is actually where I'm going to be documenting my couch to 5K journey that I'm planning on going on in June. I hope that you all enjoyed this plan with me. I really enjoyed putting this together. And as always, everyone, please be safe. Bye bye.